All right, let's get a check out that forecast for you now at 6:16. It's kind of a rinse and repeat for us for the past few days, although I'm looking at that tropics map that you had up just moments ago. A little bit more yellow there for us, which we're keeping a very close eye on.
And this time it's closer to home.
Right,
So new changes for us as you're waking up. So that should wake people up, get your attention, and you're starting off your Thursday morning. As of right now, a few clouds out there, out and about, punching surface camera. So most of us are starting off dry. But yes, let's start off with the tropics this morning. Two areas of interest. So days ago, we were talking about two hurricanes. Now we're talking about one hurricane. And now we're looking at two areas of interest, central Atlantic and also right here a little closer to home. This one expected to develop just a little bit over the Bahamas, possibly on the other side of Florida, and then move to the northwest. But I will say I'm not super concerned with this one as of right now. Low chance of seeing some development. So as it does, though, I think it'll just be a rainmaker for most of Florida. So we'll see what happens with that one after that. But likely by Saturday, we'll start to see something develop if that does maintain its status. And then just taking a look back at Hurricane Imelda, still a Category 1 as of right now. That has moved over Bermuda. It's moving away from it. Eventually will become post-tropical. So let's talk about what's happening right now as you head out the door. Still on the mostly dry side, few spotty showers here and there, some over Lake Bourne this morning, but mouth of the Mississippi River looking at some spotty showers as well. But again, most of us are quiet. So as we go throughout the afternoon, we'll see some spotty activity. A lot of it, though, going to end up staying offshore for us. But we could see some here and there. But again, the chances for that very low for today. Now, tomorrow, however, tomorrow morning specifically, we could be seeing an enhanced chance for some rain, especially along the coast. The Grand Isle heads up to you, Golden Meadow, Lafitte, but also more of the South Shore will start to see this as well. North Shore is right now, models try to hold back on you for rain for Friday, but I still think we'll all see a small chance of that, but more of that chance though for the South Shore. Then we get to Saturday afternoon, another chance of that. A lot of it going to be offshore and then eventually move inland. So most of us will have a chance to see that, but then getting into Sunday, a little bit greater chance for all of us. So I know we have a ton of events going on. What I'm going to say is plan accordingly. Check the radar, download our app. You can see the radar, what time it's going to rain in your area. I don't think it's going to be an all-day washout event. It'll just be kind of an ordeal where you do have to plan accordingly. Okay, maybe we hold off a couple hours before we do head out. Now, if you're tailgating on Sunday, I'll say bring the rain gear with you. You might need it, but I don't think you'll need it the entire time. So as far as rain amounts go, greater amounts offshore, but then look what happens as you get inland. It does start to get less and less and less, but still looking at about overall 1 to 3 inches for most of us, but obviously more there along the coast. Not only that, though, we are talking about a shift in our winds. Winds going to be coming out from the east, and when that happens, well, we could be dealing with some coastal flood issues. As of right now, talking about a small craft advisory in effect starting at noon. This goes all the way through the weekend. So if you're on the water, just know going to be very choppy. Could see rising water too as well as those winds are shifting. But temperatures right now as you head out the door, got 60s and some 70s right now. 72 over in Homa. What are our highs for today? Expected to be into the mid to upper 80s for us, and then even cooler as we get into the next couple of days.